Alright guys, so I'm back here with Robi2, and I realized that one of the things that I didn't show in my other videos of building it is how do you change the batteries once it is fully assembled. So let's do that. It is a little bit awkward. What you're going to have to do is turn his head somehow that you can grab this black piece here and twist it. I don't remember if it's left or right, but you have to twist it. Gosh. There we go. You have to twist it, and hopefully you won't destroy it, as I have just done. But it needs to turn enough that you can expose this little screw right there. Right? Once you have that, you're able to put a little screwdriver in here and unlock that part. Then you'll use your nails or some other tool to pry this part here open, or you could stick a nail in here and pry this part open like so, and then don't just pull it out right away. Gently remove it, because you don't want to snap this part. This part is very fragile right there, and if it still feels like it might be connected, put that screwdriver in and give it a little bit of a wiggle, lift this up. This part is, in my opinion, not very well designed because it is a struggle to get it out. But once that's done, you can then put new batteries in here, and they're little tiny round ones as shown here in the picture. See if I can somehow make that, there we go, better, so you guys can see what kind of batteries go in there. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.